Hey guys, today we're taking you to a Hanukkah celebration put together by Rolling Thunder, the Israeli motorcycle club in South Florida, and Kesher, an Orthodox Jewish organization also in South Florida. We also have an interesting guest, a Moroccan motorcycle club out of Orlando known as Club Royal Motos. We also have a quick interview with the mayor of Hollywood. Stay tuned, it's going to be very interesting.
Today we ride for Hanukkah, the third candle. We have guests from Orlando, the Royal Moto Club. They're coming from Orlando to light the candle. And in God's willing, may the light will shed on all of us. Amen. Tony, how many years we already? 16 or 17? 16 years. 16 years we're doing these parades, these rallies, this community events. And as you know and everybody else know, every Independence Day we have riders coming from France, Morocco, Canada, and most of it South Florida, and the rest of the US. They come here to ride with us on May 8th, I think it is this year, and we're gonna get ready for something big.
So that's Israel Independence Day.
Israel's Independence Day, yes.
Awesome.
That's what you ride with us every year.
All right, so we're here with Rolling Thunder.
We're Rolling Thunder. We're coming to celebrate Hanukkah, the holiday of lights. Let's get everybody over here if you can come. If you're hearing us, we're going to have a nice lighting of the candle in the park in North Hills Drive across from the golf course. So if you're available and you can get here, get to the park by 5:30. We'll light the candle. Happy holidays.
All right, so what's your name?
Hello, my name is Mohammed Jafar, and I'm so glad to be here with you guys. So fantastic, fabulous.
So you guys are
Thank
Moroccan?
you. Oh, we're Moroccan, yes. You see the flag?
Wow, look at that.
Moroccan flag. And thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you, and God bless you.
Okay, awesome.
Hey everybody, it's the third night of Hanukkah. We're here with Rolling Thunder and Kesher, having another great Hanukkah party here in Hollywood at Mayor Josh Levy Park. It's really great. Lots of great community spirit, and it's all because of organizations like this that make it happen. So I'm grateful, and happy Hanukkah, everybody.
Thank you.
שעשית לאבותינו, שעשית לאבותינו, בימים ההם, בימים ההם, בימים ההם, בזמן הזה. יאללה.